Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So this isn't really going to be an ETA, more of a confirmation and where I think Ethereum's going. I think we're going straight to $3,800, $4,000. We actually just ended up beating out every single relative high on the weekly. I've been telling my Patreon members that Ethereum is going to keep pushing, and it's going to keep pushing extremely hard. The last resistance that we had was actually back here at 34.1143. That was actually demolished. So as of right now, my price target for Ethereum is going to be anywhere between $3,800 and $4,000. I think as of right now, a 3,800, 4,000 Ethereum is like 95% confirmed. I would not even be surprised if we see a 3,800, 4,000 Ethereum within the next like week or two. Definitely would not be surprised at all. So I do think that as of right now, we are headed there. There is maybe there's like a slight trend here that'll probably have some resistance at. Yeah, no, doubt it. Yeah, it already broke it. Yeah, it already broke 100%. I mean, if you were even doing this as like an actual, like you guys already know that I don't like trading patterns. I'm not a pattern trader. I don't really trade pattern traders. But if you guys were actually running a pattern here, right? Let me see. Where is it at? We can do this. All right, you're looking at, it basically goes up to my target price, right? Whatever, that's fine. Where's the bottom of it? Damn, why can't it go lower? There you go. So something like that. There you go, that's fine. Yeah, it basically runs up to my target price from once you break out of this channel, which we already did on the weekly, and this is on the weekly, you have that huge candle. Yeah, look at that. I mean, technically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to grab the top of the candle to the bottom. I mean, top of the trend all the way to the bottom, and then use that as a breakout on the weekly. So technically, as of right now, target would be basically where I had my target for my Patreon members, which is between $54 and $6,200 per Ethereum. And I think it's also going to get there because of the supply crunch, which also I think is going to happen. It's another video that I'm going to talk about. But yeah, this just kind of confirms it. I think as of right now, Ethereum is headed to 3,800, 4,000 or so. I think that's kind of, I don't want to say guaranteed, but I'm like 95% sure it's going to get there. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.